So today we're going to be talking about multiplying and dividing positive rational numbers. So here we have a decimal being multiplied by a fraction. So the first thing we got to do is work with this fraction. So I need to change that to a decimal first in order to multiply it. So in order for us to do that, we need to remember how to change this fraction into this type of division. So remember, the number on top, it's the top dog. He goes inside the house. Our wimpy dog gets kicked out, which is 4. So now what we're going to do is we're going to divide 1 by 4, but we can't do that. So we're going to put a 0. And then remember, when that happens, I need to put a decimal and a 0 right here on the side. So this decimal gets brought up. So now the number that we're working with is 10. So 4 can go into 10 twice. 4 times 2 is 8. I subtract and I get 2 left over, right? Because here I have to borrow. So we have to continue on with our division. So in order to do that, we have to add another 0 right here at the end, and I need to bring this down, and let's extend this line. So 4 can go into 20 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. I subtract and I get 0. Okay, so that means right here we're going to multiply 4.2, and I'm going to rewrite it just like how it looks, times 0.25. So now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 4.2 times 25. So let's do that in blue. So 4.2 times my 0.25 hundredths. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 more, 21. So I'm done with this one. Remember, I have to add a 0 for my placeholder. So now I'm going to move on to this number right here. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. I'm going to add. So now I have 0, 5, 8, 9, 10. And don't forget that right here I need to circle all my numbers that are behind my decimal. So in total I circled 3 numbers. I have to move 3 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3. So then my actual answer is going to be 1.050 thousandths.